Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're feeling a bit lost about what to wear this spring summer 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some fashion trends that you might want to reconsider, and more importantly, what to wear instead to elevate your style. I know how overwhelming it can be to keep up with fashion, especially when some items just don't serve us anymore. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have some valuable insights that will not only help you look polished and modern, but also give you the confidence to step out in style. Imagine walking into any room, turning heads, and knowing you look your best. So, are you ready to transform your wardrobe and step into a more refined version of yourself? Let's get started. And hey, while you're at it, drop a comment below about any trends you've been thinking of changing up. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's talk about why it's essential to make these changes. We live in a fast paced world, and fashion is no exception. Trends come and go, and sometimes the pieces we once loved just don't feel right anymore. Have you ever worn something and felt a bit out of place? That's a sign that it might be time for a wardrobe refresh. Changing your style isn't just about keeping up with trends, it's about feeling confident and authentic in what you wear. A refreshed wardrobe can give you a boost, making you feel more empowered and ready to tackle the day. When you wear clothes that make you feel good, it shows. Plus, making these adjustments can help you express your personality more clearly. It's all about finding what resonates with you and helps you shine. So let's embrace this opportunity for growth and transformation. Are you excited to find out what to keep and what to toss? Trust me, you won't want to miss the upcoming tips. Share your thoughts with me in the comments about what changes you've been thinking of making. Let's dive into our first trend to reconsider: wearing short bottoms paired with short tops. Now, I know this combo might seem fun and youthful, especially for those hot summer days, but it often creates an unbalanced silhouette. When both your top and bottom reveal a lot of skin, it can make your outfit look less refined and polished. Instead, I encourage you to create contrast in your proportions. If you're opting for a pair of shorts or a mini skirt, try pairing them with a more structured or covered top. Think about a classic button up shirt or a flowy blouse. This contrast not only adds sophistication, but also keeps your look balanced and elegant. On the flip side, if you choose to wear long pants or a maxi skirt, consider a top that's slightly more open or features interesting details, like a shoulder bearing design. This way, you can selectively show some skin without feeling too exposed. It's all about comfort and confidence while looking stylish. What do you think? Have you tried mixing and matching like this before? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's move on to our next point: the importance of basic clothing. Basics are the foundation of any wardrobe, but they can sometimes fall flat if they lack shape or structure. Have you ever opened your closet and felt like your simple tees and tanks make you look a bit, well, lazy? If so, it might be time to reevaluate those pieces. Instead of sticking with shapeless, low quality basics, look for items that have subtle tailoring and thoughtful cuts. A simple white tee with structured shoulders or a scoop neckline can completely transform your outfit. Opting for well fitted basics can make all the difference in how put together you feel. Think about incorporating polo shirts, elegant tank tops, or sleeveless blouses that offer refinement while still being comfortable. Even small details like fabric weight and seam design can elevate your look. Remember, it's not about abandoning your basics. It's about being intentional with your choices. So, are you ready to upgrade your essentials? I'd love to hear your favorite basic pieces in the comments below. Next up, let's talk about those form-fitting dresses. While body-conscious silhouettes have their moments, wearing skin-tight dresses can often give the impression that you're trying too hard. Plus, they can limit your movement and feel less graceful, especially in casual settings. Have you ever felt restricted in a dress? It's not a great feeling. Instead, I recommend leaning into soft tailoring or fitted shapes that gently skim your figure without clinging too tightly. Look for dresses that feature structured elements like darts or defined waistlines, which can still highlight your form, but in a more sophisticated way. Fabrics like linen or satin add an elegant touch, making them perfect for the warmer months. The goal here is to feel confident and be able to move with ease. When your clothes work with your body instead of against it, that confidence truly shines through. So, next time you reach for that tight dress, consider opting for something that enhances your silhouette while allowing you to feel comfortable. What's your go to dress style? Share your thoughts with me in the comments. Now, let's shift our focus to footwear, specifically those chunky sandals that have been everywhere in recent years. While they might be comfortable, they often come across as overly casual and can weigh down your entire outfit. Have you noticed how bulky shoes can disrupt the elegance of your look? It's time to rethink those choices. Instead of relying on chunky styles, consider switching to more refined options like slim leather sandals or those with block or kitten heels. These alternatives not only provide comfort, but also lend a more graceful and composed finish to your outfits. A well chosen pair of sandals can effortlessly bridge the gap between casual and sophisticated, enhancing your overall appearance. Imagine stepping out in a pair of sleek sandals that elevate your ensemble without overshadowing it. That's the goal. By opting for minimal designs, you can create a polished look that feels both stylish and seasonally appropriate. So, what's your favorite type of footwear for summer? I'd love to hear your recommendations in the comments below. Next, let's talk about handbags. Tiny handbags may look adorable in photos, but they often stop being practical when they can barely hold your phone or lipstick. Have you ever found yourself struggling to fit your essentials into a bag that's too small? It's not just about looking cute. Functionality is key to elegance too. Instead of downsizing to an impractical mini bag, consider opting for larger or medium sized structured handbags. These options not only offer style but also provide the practicality you need for everyday use. This season, look for materials like suede that add a texture and richness to your outfit. Tote bags and slouchy bags in classic tones like beige, brown, or navy are not only trendy but also incredibly functional. A beautiful handbag should elevate your outfit while seamlessly fitting into your lifestyle. So, next time you're choosing a bag, think about how it complements your overall look and meets your daily needs. What are your go to bags for different occasions? Let's chat about it in the comments below. Now, let's wrap up our style tips by discussing accessories, specifically feather and fringed earrings. While these may have been trendy during festival seasons, they often lack the sophistication that an elegant wardrobe demands. Have you ever worn a pair of statement earrings that ended up feeling more costume like than chic? It's time to rethink those choices. Instead of going for pieces that overpower your face and create visual noise, opt for simpler, more timeless designs. Think about classic gold or silver earrings that offer a cleaner, elevated aesthetic. Pearl studs, vintage inspired hoops, or sculptural gold pieces can frame your face beautifully without being distracting. Remember, earrings should enhance your overall look rather than compete with it. Unique shapes and subtle textural details in metallic tones can add character to your outfit while still maintaining a sense of elegance. So, next time you're accessorizing, reach for pieces that reflect your taste while adding a touch of charm. What are your favorite earrings to wear? I'd love to hear your favorites in the comments below. Today, we've explored some key fashion trends to avoid and fantastic alternatives to elevate your style this spring summer 2025. From rethinking those short bottoms and tight dresses to upgrading your basics and accessories, each change we discussed is designed to help you feel more confident and polished. Remember, changing your style isn't just about keeping up with trends, it's about expressing who you are and feeling great in your skin. By making these adjustments, you'll not only look good, but also feel empowered to take on the world. That's what fashion should be about: confidence and authenticity. So, as you think about refreshing your wardrobe, keep these tips in mind. Choose pieces that enhance your silhouette, provide comfort, and reflect your personal style. Embrace this opportunity to discover a version of yourself that shines brighter than ever. What changes are you excited to make in your own wardrobe? I'd love to hear your thoughts and any tips you have in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this journey of style transformation. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found these fashion insights helpful and inspiring as you navigate your style choices this season. Remember, the journey of transforming your wardrobe is not just about following trends. It's about embracing your unique style and feeling confident in what you wear. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that every small change can make a big difference, whether it's swapping out a bag for a more functional one or opting for tailored basics. Each step you take brings you closer to that polished, put together look we all strive for. I can't wait to hear about the changes you're excited to make. Please share your thoughts and any tips in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going, and don't forget to stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your journey in fashion is just beginning, and I'm thrilled to be a part of it with you. Until next time, remember to dress with intention and always embrace your style.